we have an excellent question by Paulo G6076. This was a question from one of my trading journal videos. And his question says, Joe, once closed, you leave the trades on the table so you can account for the realized profits and losses. But won't that affect the unrealized ones? And how do you manage so that the correct unrealized values are there? All right, well, let's check it out. So the grayed out ones are the ones that are already closed. And the formula stated in the video states that, of course, for your stop loss, this is something that you're manually putting in. And the entry price, this is what you manually put in. For the current price, this is what's brought in by the code. And so this video is not so long. Of course, just refer to the previous videos on the trading journal series. Here is the percentages, then here is the stop loss. So all we're doing is we're emptying out these fields. So this field no longer has the price, this no longer has a price, this no longer has the formula. This is the price that we actually typed in. So when we did get stopped out, this was our stop loss price. And you can see that price reflected right here. So when I click in this field, it shows up right here. When I click in this field, it's the same price. So for that reason, we're able to remove these two fields by just, deleting them. And then it'll give you the percentage right over here. So this way, this is never changing. And now it is a fixed price. Now this is a longer term play. This one doesn't have a stop loss. This is BNB. We posted this in the free portion of the Discord. And we also posted this one on Twitter. So definitely recommend follow me on Twitter and also the free portion of the Discord, because in the free portion, we help out with everything. We can help out with charts. We help out with questions. If you have questions on indicators or anything like that, we post free charts. So definitely join the free Discord today. If you've been thinking about it, if you've been seeing all these posts lately, definitely join. It's free. And I strongly recommend it. So the next question is, how do you track them when you have more than one take profit? So an easy solution for that one, without getting too complicated with all these formulas, is just put in multiple orders. So let's say you had KDA and you bought 100 of them and you have 3 targets. Well, what you would do is you would have 3 entries and all with the same entry price and all with different stop losses or targets. So when your first target hits, you would simply repeat the process by removing these fields, deleting the fields, and then putting in for the current price, manually typing that in so it takes away the formula. And then you would see take profit 1 would be 15%. Then the next one, take profit 2, once it hit, it's 33%. Then take profit 3, it's not going to show up here because you weren't stopped out yet, whether it's a sell order or a stop loss. And then you would just wait for it to either stop out or get your target filled. And then that's when you would have your third target. So hopefully this answered your question, and I absolutely love questions like this. So if you have a question, regardless of it's doing a trading journal, whether it's anything regarding TradingView, if it has to do with indicators, anything trading related, I would absolutely love to help you. So make sure to join the Discord. The link is in the description. And once again, it's absolutely free. There's no bait and switch. I can't tell you that information because you have to pay for it. Everything that I offer is free. Now, if you do want to join the VIP portion, which I strongly recommend, that's where we give more video thought process on your trades. When people post charts for me to review, I give a thought process on it in a video form. So not only do you hear it being spoken, but you can actually see what I'm doing, and I give you my thought process. For example, there's a coin that I did. I posted the chart and everything. It was about 1 in the morning. And I made a video on it, and I released the video 7 hours later. Once the video was released, then of course I let everybody know about the chart. So that's another huge benefit of being in the VIP. So regardless if you want to do the free portion or the paid portion, the main thing is to join the VIP, start making this money, get the actual trader's experience. The stuff that I show you, the stuff that I teach you, is not stuff that I'm just going to regurgitate from a website I saw. What I do is I give you actual trading experience. And the choice you have to make is, do you want it later for free, or do you want it much sooner so you can get potentially higher profits and increase your bags much sooner? Once again, in the Discord, there is no bait and switch. It's up to you. Which do you want? Do you want just the free version, or do you want to be ahead of everybody else? Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. If this video helped you, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box if this helped you out or if you have more questions. And I can't wait to see you in the next live stream at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do this daily. Take care. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.